One of the challenges of students writing the corporate reporting examination in the ICAG Ghana Professional Qualification Program is the accounting standards, or what we refer to as the IFRSs. The challenge is because of the fact that whilst many students are coming in with their MBA and MSc, which means they were exempted from writing financial reporting in level 2, others have also written financial reporting in a long time before they got to level 3. For that reason, they had forgotten the foundation relating to financial reporting, which is a top up that is going to be coming in corporate reporting. What does that mean? It means that although you are supposed to know about the accounting standards in level 2 in financial reporting, which will help you to be able to succeed in corporate reporting in level 3, many have either forgotten it or lacked the understanding in their MBA and MSc programs. Now, to enable you to understand the accounting standards, you have to enroll in our online course on corporate reporting. Now, in our online courses, we go through the entire syllabus, going back to financial reporting, discussing the fundamental issues, and then doing the top up in the corporate reporting. Remember, corporate reporting is just an extrapolation of everything that is studied in financial reporting in level 2 with some additions. What does that mean? It means all the accounting standards in financial reporting are examinable in corporate reporting. Ratios in financial reporting is the same ratio in corporate reporting, with an extension of adding issues relating to interpretation of the cash flow statement. Consolidated financial statement in financial reporting is the same thing in corporate reporting, with an extension where we are adding the group or complex group structure as well as consolidated cash flow statement. Ethics in financial reporting, the same thing is also in corporate reporting. Then the issues relating to conceptual framework, regulatory framework are also examinable in corporate reporting. The only exclusive thing that we need to understand in corporate reporting will include issues such as business valuation and corporate restructuring and financial reorganization, as well as some additional standards like IFRS 2, share-based payment, IAS 19, employee benefit, IFRS 8, operating segment or segment reporting, and a couple of other few things. So it means the foundation is very crucial. That is why you need to enroll in our online course on corporate reporting. Study under my mentorship. Let me guide you, hold your hand, go through the entire syllabus with you, but also you will get access to our question kits, ebooks, and also you will get access to our live question portal, which enables you to answer questions, go through the syllabus, work on your timing to position you so you can think faster, work under pressure, and position yourself to pass the examination. So click the link below this video, enroll in the course today, and let me mentor you with a team here so we can assist you to pass the examination at one time if you really follow the guidelines and study under my mentorship. I'll see you in the live lectures.